Everybody, hello. It's my review about this lightning cable, Baseus. So, I think this cable is very bad. See, outside it's very strong, really strong. And connectors are really good. Metal, it's cold. And look like good. Lightning connectors look like good too. But this cable has one big problem. See, inject in iPhone. I really inject. See, it's connect, yeah? But move little connector. A moment. See? Not connect. Move little. Connect. Move. Not connect. Move. Connect. I don't know. Maybe this problem in this cable only. Maybe in every cable of Baseus. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen.